Grand Cayman. We're here. Lana, look at the island.
Only two order, right? Breakfast have is full and roast beef waffle. Any allergic I need with country?
Oh my goodness. You ready for all this sugar?
I'm ready.
That is amazing. Wow. Landon is in the concierge lounge finishing her delicious churro Mickey waffles. She let me have one bite and oh my gosh, they're amazing. I'm not feeling all that well. I didn't know when you anchor and tender into a port that the ship rocks slowly back and forth. So I'm feeling a little bit queasy. I had a raspberry smoothie, which was really good, and a cappuccino. Phil had a breakfast sandwich he said was delicious. We got in right at the last moment. It got very late. We slept in today. Today in Grand Cayman, we are doing a intimate, I think they call it, Stingray adventure. So it's like one-on-one at the sandbar with the stingrays. And then we go over to Starfish Island and see starfish and have a beach lunch, it says. I think it's 5 hours. I think it's 5 hours long. So yeah, we're really excited. And those churro waffles were so good. All right.
I ate 1.5. They were so good.
You didn't finish the half? I could have had more? Ah! All right, let's brush your teeth. We're headed down to Coco.
I had 1.25.
It was so good.
You could have had over a half. And that is in Canada. I can tell.
Oh, by the butterfly.
Yeah, there's butterflies. That's it.
What is that? Going to 2 new countries today and tomorrow. That must be from Aladdin. See all the tiki room art? Look who it is!
Yay.
Align your wishing star.
This was our second time trying Disney's Uncharted Adventure. We tried on the Wish and it didn't work, and we had trouble with it on the Treasure. We are going on the Dream and the Fantasy next, and they have the Midship Detective Agency, which I think she will absolutely love. But we were on the Dream. She was only 4, so she was a little young for it. But I think she's really gonna like it at 7 years old.
Oh, it's Peter Pan flying.
What do I do?
Boost. See, you fly like this.
Not working.
Can you help, Dad?
Sure.
Is my app not working? There's something wrong with the app?
Yeah, something went wrong.
We booked this excursion through Disney, and we had to meet at Coco Restaurant at 11 a.m., and we waited there forever. The entertainment team did a really good job of entertaining us, but I think it was like 1 o'clock when we finally got off the tender boat on the island. If I were to do this again, one of the benefits of being concierge is you get to go down, I think it was at 10:30, and tender on a priority tender on a special elevator. So I probably would have just booked an excursion on my own if you're doing concierge and it's a tender.
Are you ready for stingrays? Miss Go-Go's our ship. Looks a little rickety. Oh my gosh, Landon.
You like my AC? This is my AC.
Don't swerve. You're going to make people sick. That's cool. You can see the ship.
Is that our ship?
Yeah. There. Oh yeah, hit a Mickey. All right, drive us, Captain. Sorry, I had to step on it. We're finally here. 2 hours.
It's been a journey. It's fun though.
Yeah, it's fun. I just wasn't feeling well. It's pretty.
So much better now.
Yeah. all those people.
We go to the island. I see a stingray. I hear a crying kid. Do you hear a crying kid? Stay in the circle. Look behind you, Landon. Landon, look.
Come on, Captain. You can do this.
Come on, Captain.
Let's push in on top. Don't be afraid. Keep swimming. Go ahead.
Wow.
There we go.
This is beautiful.
Remember, just don't lift your banner, just keep her flat onto your hand. That's all, she will be calm to you. There we go. That close time out?
Yeah.
Alright, Captain. Me, you got to make a deal.
What?
You hold the stingray, you dry all the way back home.
Oh, that's a good
Right, all the way back home.
Alright, can we get Mom now by herself?
I don't want to kiss it.
You can hold her.
I got an idea. Okay, I'll fine. I'll hold it. But Mom's holding half.
Okay.
Okay, Mom. I'm gonna hold it. Wait, Mom, keep your hand on it. I'm gonna. Oh.
All right.
I'm holding half. Yeah.
That's not the way. You will hold it with me.
What the?
Yeah.
That's it. Come on.
Put your hands underneath them.
No, she won't. See my hand? Give me a hand. See? That's my hand. This is your hand, alright? And there we go.
Now
See?
puck her up.
See how you kissing?
I'm not kissing her.
You want to try a kiss?
No.
You sure?
No.
100% kiss?
There we go. That's right. Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah.
Look at her lips up.
Alright, you can drive back home.
Now Mom and Dad together?
Can we get both of them together?
Kiss it.
Yeah. Now you will do a kiss. Mom don't want, so there we go.
Ew.
Okay, now you'll hug each other for me. Yeah. Okay. You still going to touch things a little bit? Don't knock home, my lady. There we go.
I'm totally posting that. I'm just gonna post this live.
Oh, that's me.
Okay, there we go.
What kind is it?
Now you see, you hold it all by yourself.
What kind of stingray is it?
Oh my God, she just kissed me.
Because of Ocean Atlantic, by the name is
Oh my God, she just.
It's like, she's doing this for me.
Man, she just kissed me on her own.
She did.
You eat your little fishy lips up and then kiss me.
Aww.
I think she likes.
I think she likes it.
Mom, it's a starfish.
No way!
That's a starfish.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really sharp. Beautiful.
Okay, here's yours, baby.
Oh,
Awful. You haven't even looked at it.
worst lunch ever.
Chicken.
No, where were
There's rice.
There's
There's no vegetarian
Why
meal.
can't we just take that table?
Starfish?
What's it feel like? It feels like. Here, feel it.
I don't know if
Feel it
I
at
want
the bottom.
to either.
Feel at the bottom.
Ooh, it feels neat.
See? Feel it. And it feels hot.
gonna keep underwater. Wow, Landon, that's so
And
neat.
if you wanted to hold a big one, this is a big one.
Wow, that's huge.
You want to hold a big one? With your family. Upside down jellyfish.
Upside down. Landon, come here.
Want to see the jellyfish?
She has a jellyfish. There's the ship. Time to tender. Treasure. Look at that beautiful ship. Did you have a nice time today, Landon?
Yeah.
Did you like the stingrays or the starfish better?
I do not know.
Time. We're late for dinner. Just got back. Had a shower real quick. Excursion was so much fun. Grand Cayman was awesome. We might cancel Jamaica. We are getting ready for Pirate Night Marvel. The menu looks really good for vegetarians, especially because I haven't really eaten today. And Phil went to go get wine in Grand Cayman. You can't get wine in the concierge lounge until it's 5:30. Landon's dressed up like Captain Liza Colfit. I forget. She did the Pirate Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique on the Wish a year and a half ago. So she's wearing that outfit, and we're in a hurry. And my hair's wet. Pull a ponytail and do probably a pirate look, and we're excited. Stingrays were awesome. Lunch was not very good. They charge you $30 per person for the pictures, but all right, gotta go. Bye. The magnets in her shirt. All right, pirate at night. Let's go. Look, Dad.
Super Jake.
That's so cute. Liza, Captain Liza.
Looks like you got your lemonade already lined up here. Careful.
Did you get a crab cake, Daddy?
Good.
Got your apples, falafel, and jerk chicken.
Oh, it's like a plantain chip.
It's your dad's ice cream. See, it's a Mickey. I've never seen this pool cover.
Nothing scares Captain.
It's pretty. You're not scared, Captain Liza?
Not one bit.
Look out for pirates.
I'm going to see what they have.
Sadly, my falafel was not good at all, but the samosa was really good, and the carrot soup. Landon felt like their jerk chicken. Off to the concierge lounge for an espresso martini. Come on, Eliza. Oh, yo, ho.
Maybe go to the lounges now.
Yeah, let's go. Let's not wait for Dad. We're not waiting for you, Dad. Tastes like?
Apples.
Yeah.
Lesson number 3 in making a famous pirate pose.
Do it with us! Reach down and draw your imaginary pirate sword up to the sky!
Now swing it to the left, then right, and loudly shout R.
In the unlikely event that your crew succeeds, we get the ship back! Do we have an agreement? Agree.
You do it?
Impossible! Lucky guess! Speed, give them the next one, and make this one especially rough.
You can have this.
Wow. That is really cool. What are these Lorcana? Do you see how your thing's in there? What are Lorcana? Trading cards. Cool. That's cool. Did she take the gold doubloons from the eye? Shift 3. You may pay 3 to
play this on top of one of your characters. You cannot see us at all. Look, put your face forward.
It's like Queen. Can anybody find me?
Somebody love. I don't think that's what it is. It's,
No, it was a Bohemian Rhapsody, wasn't it?
Yeah, how'd it go? How's that go? Ready?
I'm a little boy.
But mana goosh, bada goosh.
I don't know the words.
Do the fandango. Thunderbolt and lightning.
Very, very frightening.
Ooh, Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
What did you think of the excursion, people? Would you recommend it?
I like the Stingrays a lot.
Yeah, stingrays were cool. You're naked, so you need PJs on. Landon gives it a thumbs up.
Landon, did you like the
Landon's-
like the Starfish?
What did you think of Starfish? Thumbs up. Landon's on dessert number 8 and 9 of the night.
The food was yummy, the picnic, but the beach was just like, here's your bowl, go sit on the beach and eat it in the sand.
And then there were ants that was climbing into our food and our drinks, and there was no vegetarian meal.
Like there wasn't a bench or chair or anything.
Yeah. Maybe I would just do the Stingray.
That part was.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
negative.
No one liked that.
But like the
food was yummy though. The chicken
staff,
was good.
staff was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I would have just done the Stingray. Right?
If that was an option, yes.
Yeah. The Starfish was neat.
And the water was like, I mean, it's
Boiling.
just, yeah, bath water.
It's like hot, or a hot tub.
Yeah, it was hot.
It was very hot.
Just the time of year, I guess.
It was fine. Oh, tomorrow we booked an all-inclusive beach excursion and canceled it. The concierge canceled it for us. It's like $300 a person, and we're just tired. We want to hang out on the ship, enjoy the ship, right?
Could sleep in tomorrow. I don't have to be
I
anywhere.
know, it's supposed to be like
answer to anybody.
8:15 in the morning. So Galileo,
We'll watch Elemental, Landon, on the big screen tomorrow. at 10.
Galileo. Yeah,
You want to see Elemental?
and there's a
I thought
magician.
you liked that movie.
We are the elemental.
And we want to go to. Oh, that was your. Was that your improv class or another
No,
improv
that was
group?
a different group.
That was a different group.
Yeah.
They're the ones I didn't
Did
understand.
you have a good pirate night?
We were the mystery. We were the mystery kittens.
You were mystery kids.
No,
I don't think
kittens.
we're gonna make
We
it.
were the
Oh, kittens.
We
Yeah.
were the mystery cats. That was the name of our group.
We tried to make it up for pirate night party, but I don't think we're going to. We'll watch the fireworks from our balcony.
Yeah.
All right. Was there anything else from the day? Lana, what was your favorite part of the day? Dad?
Kissing a Stingray.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, and the pictures were, like, expensive. They were really good.
Mine was driving.
Landon was the captain of the boat.
$90 was too much. $30 a person. So, like, if Landon wasn't there, it would have only been $60.
Yeah, 60
Like, they need to
I
level
would have
set, like-
done.
$50 a family.
Yeah. They airdrop the pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just bring a waterproof camera and take your own pictures.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Landon. No more sugar. So anyways, we're tired. Phil and I woke up early this morning.
Time to get some sleep.
Time to get some sleep, and we're gonna have a sea day in Jamaica. Bye!
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.